Is your Brookstone heated blanket not working? Don't worry. A quick reset can often solve the problem. Let's identify common issues and learn how to fix them. First, let's identify the most common issues. You might see blinking lights on the controller, the blanket may refuse to turn on, or you could experience problems after washing the blanket. Here's what a typical Brookstone heated blanket controller looks like. The controller is the key component we'll be working with during the reset process. Now let's learn the step-by-step reset process that can solve most of these issues. Step 1. Disconnect the blanket from the power outlet. This is crucial for safety and allows the system to fully reset. Step 2. Detach the controller from the blanket if possible. This breaks all electrical connections and ensures a complete reset. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate completely. Step 4. Reconnect the controller to the blanket securely. Make sure all connections are tight and properly seated. Step 5. Plug the blanket back into the power outlet and test its operation. The reset should resolve most common issues. If the reset doesn't work, let's check some additional troubleshooting steps. First, test your power outlet with another device to ensure it's working properly. A voltage tester like this one can help verify the outlet is functioning. Check all cords for damage, fraying, or cuts. Damaged wiring is a safety hazard and will prevent proper operation. Ensure all connections between the controller, blanket, and power outlet are secure and properly seated. Some models have a dedicated reset button on the control unit. Consult your user manual for model-specific instructions on using this feature. Remember, if the reset process and these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it may indicate a more serious electrical problem, and replacement might be necessary for your safety. Safety is the top priority when working with any electrical appliance, especially heated blankets. Following proper safety measures protects both you and your equipment. Before inspecting or resetting your heated blanket, always unplug it from the power outlet. This simple step prevents electrical shock and protects the blanket's internal components. After washing your heated blanket, ensure it is completely air-dried before plugging it back in. Moisture can damage electrical components and create safety hazards. Avoid using extension cords with heated blankets. Extension cords can overheat and may not provide stable power, leading to malfunction or fire hazards. A blinking light on your controller usually indicates a problem. Check all connections, verify the power source, and inspect for any visible damage to cords or the controller. If resetting doesn't solve the problem, or if your blanket requires frequent resets, this may indicate a serious electrical issue. In such cases, replacement is the safest option. Follow manufacturer guidelines and never place items on top of your heated blanket while in use. Most Brookstone blankets include automatic shutoff features for added safety.